Hello Silly Bakers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nini and I love to create healthier recipes. So this one is for the keto lovers out there, as well as anybody who would like a low carb bread that is high in fiber and has some good omega-3s that I think we are all needing a little bit more of. So we're making a flax bread. And there are a few rules that you do need to follow to ensure that you get the right texture and the right flavor. And as we go along in the recipe, I'll ensure that you guys know what those are. Really easy to do. It's like, I think 3 or 4 ingredients. It's just a couple of different steps that you need to follow to get the right type of bread. I had this for breakfast. I toasted it with actually a little cottage cheese and a little avocado, and it was actually really delicious. So I was surprised because, as you guys know, flax can be a little overpowering, but the type of flax that I'm using gives you definitely more of a subtle type of flavor versus some other types of flax, and we'll get into that a little later. So before we get to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family. So let's learn how to make this delicious keto flax bread. You want to preheat your oven to convection at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and you want to line a baking sheet with parchment paper and then set that aside. Let's go over the ingredients for the recipe. First, we will need 1.5 cups or 240 grams of whole golden flaxseed. It's best not to purchase the pre-ground. This is what your whole golden flax seeds will look like, and I'm going to use my spice grinder to grind them into a fine powder, which looks like that. We will need 4 tablespoons or 40 grams of psyllium husk powder. I only have whole psyllium husk, which I will grind again in my spice grinder. You want a powder. You want 2 teaspoons of baking powder. We want 1/2 teaspoon of salt. We will need 1 1/3 cups or 320 milliliters of hot water, so recently boiled water. Let's go over the keto flax bread tips. Number 1, use golden flax seeds only and grind them yourself, no pre-ground flax. Number 2, you want to use a convection oven or an oven with a fan. Number 3, you want to try to weigh your ingredients for more accuracy. Number 4, if you're using whole psyllium husk, you want to grind it into a powder first, then measure. 5, you want to ensure you let your bread cool completely before slicing. We're going to grab a large bowl and we're going to add our ground flax, our psyllium husk, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon of salt. You can increase that to a teaspoon if you like. I'm actually going to add an extra ingredient here, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric powder, which is optional. And if you are using turmeric, you're going to need a pinch of pepper to activate the curcumin in the turmeric. And I'm going to give this a nice whisk to ensure that all the ingredients are incorporated. And we are going to add our recently boiled water. Using your spatula, we're just going to mix everything until you see very few dry spots. And then we're going to go in by hand. So just using your hand, you just want to kind of knead it a little bit. So I would say knead this for about 20 to 30 seconds, just to ensure that everything is well incorporated. So then we're going to shape the dough as a disc and add it to our parchment paper. We're going to add a little milk to the top. You can also use water, just so our seeds will stick. This will double in size in the oven. I'm using some sesame seeds, but you guys can use pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds. You could use flax seeds as well. We're going to bake at convection 350 for about 50 minutes until it's at least doubled in size and it's nice and golden. I'm going to transfer it to a wire rack and I'm going to let this cool completely before slicing. Enjoy our keto flax bread. 4 grams of protein per slice and 9 grams of fiber per slice. Really delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and to subscribe to our channel for more healthy recipes. If you do try this keto flax bread, let me know in the comments below. I will include the ingredients and measurements to the recipe in the description box as well as in the comment section. Thank you guys so much for watching and happy baking.